Movement. Make some noise for Light Movement, everybody. Final Cypher, throwing it down every year. And yeah, we did it big this year. 3 days, that's what's up. But this is the last day. It's the main dish. That's right, we got a lot of exhibition-style battles go on this day. It's a lot of setup battles, hype battles that maybe you guys have been voting on Facebook. You guys have been talking about. Maybe just hype battles that you want to see. Also, maybe some hype battles that have been built up for a very, very long time that we've all been waiting for. You guys, whoever's giggling, box, if you're giggling, you know what I'm talking about. But we're going to get into that in just a minute. Anyway, you got that already, Flo, for me? You know what I'm talking about? You got that ready, man?
You really want?
No, we don't have to go. Yo, this little kid right here is nasty, man. What's up? What's your name?
Spider Monkey.
Spider Monkey, what's up, man? Nice to finally meet you. I've been checking you out. This kid is, he's crazy. He's the reason why I quit b-boying, because he got so nice. I just had to quit. It was, I busted my knee. But it's all good. Anyway, yeah? Oh, I got an announcement to make. 2014, guess what? I'm single again. Back on track. Yo, true story. Wait, what was that one more time? I'm single again. No, for real. I'm single again. Anyway, that goes out to all the ladies in the house. Just a little public service announcement. I like walks on the beach. And you guys ready to see some battles? You guys ready to see some battles? Yeah? Alright. Yo, Flo, one more time. Just